going to show you how to change the shocks and coils on my 2011 Chevy Cruze. With the car jacked up on both sides, you're going to go and remove this 21mm bolt right here. Put a jack under each side of the axle to support the axle. With an 18mm socket, remove these two bolts here and here. Your shock will fall down, and then just take this out. All right, just pull down that rubber shield, put on a pair of vice grips, put a little PB blaster penetrating oil on this nut. You'll remove that with a 15mm. Pop open your new shock, transfer the guard, vice grips up high. That nut here gets torqued to 15 foot-pounds. With both shocks off each side of the vehicle, you can take the pressure off the jacks. You should be able to get that spring out. Go ahead and install your new coil. Heat up your new shock, torque these to 74 foot-pounds. Insert that bolt, torque it to 110 foot-pounds and 60 degrees.
So it's my understanding that the LTZ and the RS come with sport suspension, and I went to the dealership and confirmed that my car has this. These parts are harder to find, so I opted to go with the standard suspension and parts. This raised my car up about an inch from what it was. However, the back remained about the same.
I ended up getting some 1-inch coil spacers, which you can see is the rubber thing underneath the coil. This leveled the car out to be the same.
If you're changing just the back, you probably don't need to, but if you're doing the front or both, then you need to make sure you get an alignment.
If you have any questions, leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.